Hello guys!
Hi.
Today we are gonna be doing a morning and night routine. So see you. Alright guys, what we usually do at night is this is our cafe.
Close the cafe at 12.
We close the cafe at 12:58, so we have to start going to bed now.
And get ready for bed. So we have
our house isn't finished, so there might be
yeah. So,
alright, I cook dinner because
so
I do
wait
everything.
and get ready for bed.
Yes.
So mostly I go in here, have some privacy, because
I usually like to cook whatever I want to cook. But today's tacos. It's my birthday. Everyone come to the tea party. I don't know who that is. I just like reading comments.
So guys, yeah, you have never seen this, but this is my bedroom.
We usually like to have like not a healthy dinner, but I want tacos right now. I'm hungry.
Guys, that's my escape route.
But she's making a balcony, but she doesn't know how to make one. So we'll do the morning video in the same video. It's just like that. We start at night, I guess.
And when I go to
but
parties,
this doesn't hurry up. We're not going to be making a morning video on this one.
She doesn't hurry up. Mostly I get tea because I love tea.
Yes, I will get tea for you. I usually like to place everything for her. And since this doesn't like to work, I like to place everything for her. Or I guess not.
I'm going to kind of eat my taco.
But I like to have
and drink. And then I go into this thing. And then I text my boyfriend. Then I get ready for bed. So then I blow dry my hair. And then I take a shower because we all need a shower.
Hey, I want to take a shower first.
Sorry. And I brush my teeth because that's good.
Alright. Let's look at my mood. Okay, hunger's already good. Hydration.
And then
thank you for getting out when I was ready.
And then I go to bed.
We usually don't bring our phone up until the morning. Did you brush your teeth?
Yes.
I'm her maid and I have to remind her to do these things.
This is called the kawaii house. Everything is
No, it's not.
Everything has to be kawaii. No. I love kawaii. So, and that's
we will be doing a house tour when we're done with our house.
Oh yeah, and the cafe is kawaii.
No.
So we call it Kawaii Cafe. I named it.
There we go.
Okay.
Make sure every single light off is in the house.
If I can find my light.
I don't think you have a light switch.
Well, then I have to click. Guys, I'm short in this game, so I think
I'm the one who usually has to do everything. Yeah, this
I accidentally fell. No.
Are you? So we go up this.
So guys, we have our own thing, but I have this, so I don't have to.
I go in here.
She has the bigger bed.
And go to sleep. Goodbye. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. I have to go and make her breakfast. Turn on the lights. And then I get ready after she leaves or after everything's done. Dinner didn't get put away last night. What? Get changed. When you have to ride a moped, that won't be that comfortable. You having coffee for the morning? Please put the taco away.
I don't want. I'm fine.
No, excuse me, you are eating the pancakes that I just made. I did not just make pancakes. If you not eat them, you will stuff face. I don't even care if you eat one pancake, but you're eating some.
She would never find me here.
Get downstairs, sit at the table. I don't want that to be your mother. Yeah, I'm your mother. Please, it's 5:46. You have to be to work by 7. You have 2 hours. Did you take a shower? How about I am your mother?
Yes, sure.
Okay. But you go to work. No, you go to work. Eat those 2 pancakes. Fine, go to work then. She's off to work. I'll just eat these pancakes in front of them.
I'm on the Ooh, I got a call
Since
from
she is off to work, I can go get ready.
Ooh, I got a call from my friend. Hello, pets. Yes! But no.
Turn on the light.
Oh my god. No. But glad I don't go to school anymore. I'm only a teenager and I'll have to walk.
Shh, I better go change into an adult then. Well, guys, I need to change into adult since I'm her mother now.
That'd be a great idea if I just work at the cafe.
You are not just working at the cafe?
Maybe sometimes I go to the toilet, but yeah, I think I'm going to do that.
Ooh, I need to go open the cafe.
So yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Yeah.
I better not catch her in the cafe. She better be at work.
Wait, what? It's Sunday, and I don't work on Sundays or Saturdays.
No, oh yeah, you work at the cafe on Sundays. Sorry, guys. I'm a little off track. But
And I work on it on Saturday.
no, you go to work on Saturdays. Just taking a little rest. I'm bored. Well, I think this is where we're gonna end it here. But
Yeah, that would be like.
I hope you had an amazing time with that. It's a little hectic, but
I hope you like this video.
bye.
See you all next time.
Gucci, bye.